Because in the Aryan civilization, what does a person do on his birthday? Well, we say the original Indian culture, or the culture of Bharatvarsh, or the Vedic culture, the Aryan civilization. What do the Shastras tell that a person should do on his birthday? Should he jump up and down? No. What should he do? He should fast. He should fast. He should give charity, Brahman Dan. He should perform tapasya. I already said it. Tapasya, fasting, and Dan, giving charity to Brahmins and holy persons, Vaishnavas. And he should take darshan of Krishna and do some other pious activities. Jamuna Snan, Dham Prikrama, Giraj Prikrama. So, a Vedic man, or an Aryan, a spiritually advancing person, on his birthday, he will distribute so much wealth and charity, cows and gold and silk, and at least a couple of Mangal Artik sweets. If he doesn't have cows and gold and silver and land, he'll give a few Mangal Artik sweets, or buy a half a kilo of Mangal Artik prasadam or something. Or he'll give something, a picture of Krishna. But now everything is perverted. The Aryan culture has been replaced by Asura Sampat, the Asura culture, the culture of the demons. So, it's my birthday. Hey, where's my big cake? Where's my big party? We have to party, celebrate. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came on the biggest party day of India. He appeared on the biggest party day of India. The entire India is having a party today. And most of the people don't have any idea who Lord Chaitanya is. And they're not having a party because of Lord Chaitanya's appearance. They're having a party because of Holi. And they're happy, they're throwing colors. Ho, ho, holy hey, holy hey. And everyone's having a big party. And they're also giving some gifts sometimes. And when they embrace each other, when they come with each other to say, holy hey, you're like, you want to play holy? And you say, holy hey. And then you submit yourself to receive what you're going to receive. So then they very lovingly, they rub some colors on your forehead and they say, prem say, prem say, prem say. Then they embrace you and they embrace you. So this is the party that's going on all over India with 1 billion people. 1 billion people are celebrating this party of Holi. So this is a birthday, but they don't actually know that Saraswati and, and Durga and everyone, Parvati's arranged, everyone's indirectly celebrating the birthday party of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So when they're saying, ho, ho, holy, after a few years as our preaching expands more and more, instead of saying, ho, ho, holy, they'll say, ho, ho, haribo, haribo, haribo. So when they throw the colors on each other, they'll say, hari, haribo. No more ho, ho, no ho, 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 holy, they'll say, haribo, haribo.